Friday. I'm Coach Ben, and we're back with another flexibility exercise for you to add to your warm-up, cool down. Today, we're still focusing on this posterior chain. We're going to do the Supine Biceps Femoris Stretch, which is just your lateral hamstring, which is a key muscle here. And most people do not stretch this and neglect this area. But if you do this stretch, it will help if you're experiencing back pain or you have tight hips or anything of that nature. So I encourage you to give this a try, and not just once, but add it to your routine over time, because you know you can't just do anything, whether it's an exercise for strength or flexibility or stability, one time, okay? You gotta start adding these things in so you can start reaping the benefits of it. Okay, we'll be in the same position that we did the active 90-90 stretch in the other week, the hamstring. So we'll have one leg straight as we glide back. One leg straight here, we'll have one bent. 90. Now the key to this exercise here is we're going to get this leg across our midline. So what we're going to do is I got my right leg here, I'll take my opposite hand, my left hand, reach back behind here, top of this hamstring back behind my kneecap here, and we're going to pull it across our body. So as you can see, it should come across this midline. Now once we're here in this position, all we're going to do is straighten this leg out, drive that heel up, and we're going to go as straight as we can. We're going to hold this for 3 to 5 seconds. You should feel the stretch here in the lateral hamstring area. We're going to come right back down in control, and we'll repeat this 5 to 10 repetitions, holding for 3 to 5 seconds. And we'll make sure that after we get our 5 to 10 reps, that we switch sides and get both legs so we're primed and ready to go for leg day or running or whatever it is that we're getting ready to work out that day. Again, make sure you're breathing, not holding your breath throughout the stretch, and that you are not pushing past your range of motion and risking tearing or pulling your muscle trying to prove how flexible you are. Your range of motion will increase as you perform this exercise more often. All right? There we go. That's our stretch for today. Make sure you're listening to your body, staying consistent with your exercises, and most of all, train relentless. We'll catch you next week. Have a great weekend.